An electron jumps from the fourth orbit to the second orbit of hydrogen atom. Given the Rydberg constant R is equal to 10 to the power 5 per centimeter, frequency in hertz of the emitted radiation will be. So, here the formula for transition of electrons, that is wave number nu bar is 1 by lambda equal to Rydberg constant R 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So 1 by lambda is 10 to the power 5 per centimeter into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 4 square. So this is nu bar, that implies 1 by lambda equal to 10 to the power 5 divided by 10 to the power minus 2 per meter. This is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. As we know, C is equal to nu lambda. C by lambda is nu. So multiplying both sides by C, C by lambda is equal to 10 to the power 7 into C. C is velocity of light in vacuum. This is 16 is the common denominator. 4 minus 1. So C by lambda is nu, that is frequency. This is 10 to the power 7 into 3 into 10 to the power 8. This is 3 by 16. So this is 9 into 10 to the power 15 by 16 hertz is the frequency, which is option C.